Hi, this is Kaushik and I welcome you to another Autocad 2021 tutorial episode number 7. Today we gonna draw this home plan using all the tools I have shown in the previous episode. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay up to date. So let's begin. Go to templates, ACAD DWT. Okay. Go to units. I have selected the drawing units 2 inches as the minimum is in inches. So I will set the drawing unit to inches. If the measurement were in feet, then I would have set in feet, but as I have in inches also, so I will set the drawing unit to inches and the type to engineering, precision to 2 digit. Okay, now using the line command, as you can see it's 53 feet. So turn on the auto mode, 53 feet, enter. If you have faced this error that you can't, as you can see it has shown cannot zoom further while a command is active. Cancel the command and then you can minimize the drawing sheet. Since the line is very near to this x-axis, so I will move the line to the right side with this move tool. Now as you can see it's 51 feet, so feet, enter, and this side it's 56 feet, so 56 feet, enter. Again here it's 16 feet. The first one is the length, 16 feet length, 14 feet width. So this is your 16 feet and this is your 14 feet. So let's draw 16 feet. 16 feet, enter. Then again it has gone inside of 3 feet. So 3 feet, enter, and join the starting point. So your outline is ready. Now you need to draw the partitions of the rooms. For that you will use the offset command. The first one is 18 feet length and 16 feet width. So let's first take an offset of 18 feet. Offset command, type your measurement 18 feet, enter. Select an object with your left click and automatically the offset will appear, and left click to paste. Again from this side also, this room is 18 feet from this side, and again from 18 feet from that side also. So with the same measurement we will do this partition also. 18 feet, again 18 feet. Okay, but for this room it's 16 feet width, so let's change the offset. Cancel the offset command, again select the offset command, and this time we will give 16 feet. Enter. Select the object. As soon as you select the object, the offset will appear, and left click to paste. So we don't need this line till here, as the room is big for a bedroom 1 and for bedroom 2 it's small slight. So we will use the trim command. It's left click to trim. Okay, so that's how you can create a partition. Escape to cancel. Again it's 18 feet length and 16 feet width, so we're gonna use offset command again, and 16 feet offset. Enter. And as soon as you select the offset, as soon as you select the object, the offset will appear, and left click to paste. So that's how you can draw the partition. Again for the garage we will need 14 feet width, 16 feet length and 14 feet width. So offset 14 feet, enter, left click, and as soon as you left click, the offset will appear, and left click to paste. Okay, the kitchen is 16 feet into 16 feet, so we will go to offset command, 16 feet, enter, 16 feet from this side and 16 feet from this side. Okay, 16 feet from this side and again 16 feet from this side. Now trim the excess lines, left click, left click, left. You can also press your left click and drag the mouse to trim multiple lines. If I drag the mouse by pressing the left click, I can trim multiple lines, or you can simply just left click over that line. It's time consuming for if you have many lines, so it depends upon the work what you are doing. And again for this mandir, or you can say temple, it's 8 feet into 6 feet, so it's 8 feet into 6 feet. So let's set an offset of 6 feet. Enter. Okay. Trim the excess lines. Again trim this one. Now for the veranda, it's 12 feet length and 8 feet width. So we will take an offset of 8 feet from this line and 12 feet from this line. So 12 feet, enter, left click, and again cancel the command, again offset, this time 8 feet, enter, left click, and left click to paste and trim the excess lines. Left click, so the plan is almost. Now it's 3 feet increase, so we're gonna increase that 3 feet, enter, and for that the door is 1.2 meter width, so 3 feet 11 inch. So we're gonna use the line command, 3 feet 11 inch, enter, and now 8 feet, enter. So your outlines are ready. Now for the wall, it's 10 inch thickness from center to center. That means when you will set an offset, 5 inch will remain this side and the other 5 inch will go on the another side. This is your basically your center line. These are all the center lines. So as it has written center to center, so it's all your center to center distance. For that, now you need to divide the 10 inch into half and do the partition. Offset command, since it is in 10 inch, so I will type 5 inch, enter, left click to paste this side and again left click to paste another side. So that's how you can draw if the measurements are from center to center. Let me draw for all the external walls. Left click to set offset and left click to paste. Again left click and left click to paste. Now for the internal walls, it's 6" center to center, so we will take an offset of 3". 3". Enter. Do that for all the internal walls. So that's how you can draw the internal walls and external walls. Okay, I left out this bathroom and storeroom part, so let me draw that also. Offset 10 feet. As you can see, it's 10 feet. So let's type 10 feet. Enter. Select the center line and left click to paste. And again it's 12 feet from top. 12 feet. Enter. Select the center line and left click to paste. And for this it's 10 feet length, sorry, width. So for this it's 10 feet width, so we're gonna type 10 feet. Enter. Select the center line and left click to paste. Trim the excess lines. Now set the thickness of the wall 3". Enter. Left click, give your direction and left click. Okay, your plan is ready now.